the mocktail party. I was the bartender, and we were making mango juice. Then we made pizza with chef, and it was nice. It was, at least my mom, my family came over, so they liked it.
My favorite memory is to go in the Skyline Diner when I make some chicken and fries. That's my favorite.
And what's your favorite recipe that you made here?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza.
My favorite memory was the mocktail party.
Mocktail party? What did you do with the mocktail party?
I worked as the server, serving food to the guests, like topped baguette slices and roasted vegetables.
What is the favorite recipe that you made here?
Stuffed mushrooms.
My favorite memory is when we went to the Skyline Luncheonette and
What did you make there?
French toast.
French toast. What's your favorite recipe that you made here?
It's pizza.
Pizza? The year.
Going to the diner.
And what did you do at the diner?
I made a cheeseburger.
And what's your favorite recipe from the year here?
Definitely the pizza.
What is your favorite memory from this year?
Definitely learning how to prepare different meals. My personal favorite was learning how to cook pizza.
And what is the favorite recipe you made here on campus?
Either the handmade pasta or the pizza.
All right. What's your favorite memory from the school year?
Going every Monday to help the chef in the kitchen.
Okay, what was your favorite recipe you made this year?
The pizza.
The pizza?
It's a song about how changes in life can be scary due to how sudden it can feel with the way time seems to move so quickly, especially when we're having fun. Yes, it's an ending, but it's also a new beginning. And as you begin on your new journeys, remember to always be your true self, because who you choose to be on the outside shows who you are on the inside. No one else can live for you, and therefore they can't tell you who you can and can't be. You will always be remembered, and I hope you remember this experience for the rest of your days.